He is celebrating his very first birthday and doing so in Moran. Happy birthday, big boy. Mason Metcalf, he is celebrating his 5th birthday. Backpack ready to rock and roll as we head out to school. Mason, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, and Sis. M Squared is in Fort Scott. From M Squared to HQ, I guess that's what they call Hearson Dunn, and he's celebrating his 7th birthday. Motley looking crew you got around you there, Hearson. Have a great day, my friend. In Columbus, Everly Roberts. A beautiful bow there, Miss Everly. She is turning 8. A happy birthday to Everly in Columbus. And in Chanute, Briar Manley. He got the backpack on. He's ready to rock and roll too. Briar headed out the door to celebrate his 9th birthday in Chanute. In Webb City, there's Rylan Houston, now 12 years old. Rylan, a very, very happy birthday. I want you to have a great day. And in Seneca, Roman Miller. Little Seneca Indian pride right there for number 8. Roman, as you celebrate your 14th, know that these birthday wishes are from Mom, Dad, Ryder, Renly, Raylan, and Nanny. And of course, Nanny. We didn't want to forget her. And we've got Grayson Newman. He is celebrating his 14th birthday. Grayson, have a great day, my man. In Clinton, Missouri, Caitlin Foster. She's like, well, if it's only going to be in the 60s today, let's remember the time that we got to celebrate on the beach. Good choice there, Caitlin. A happy birthday. Like I said, Caitlin's in Clinton. Happy birthday from Dad, Stepmom, and all your sisters and brothers who reside in Oswego. Lexi Black, she is now 21 years old, so let the party commence in Carthage for Lexi. That young woman right there is a senior in the Yours to Lose program at Missouri Southern, and she will be continuing to KCU Joplin next fall to pursue that dream of becoming a doctor. Lexi, a very happy birthday to you and best of luck in all your future endeavors. Eric Perez is celebrating a 53rd birthday with Pikachu. Eric in Humboldt, and I want you to know that this comes with love from Mary, family, and all your friends, my man. And then in Pittsburgh, congratulations to Alan Hall as he celebrates his 80th birthday. Happy birthday, Alan. Joy Gatewood, a happy 91st birthday, and what a beautiful arrangement there, Joy. I hope you have a marvelous, marvelous day. She is in Columbus. Rob Monty, happy birthday in Parsons. Rob, big UKU fan right there. Rob, I want you to have a great day. Excuse me. Tony and Gail Irwin. Look at that. That's a beautiful picture of Tony and Gail, and congratulations. They're celebrating 46 years of marriage. My goodness. Neither one of them don't even look that old. That's tremendous. Congratulations, Tony and Gail in Carthage. Lyman Crane with a birthday in Columbus, and we'll stay in the bus because that's where we wish a happy birthday to Ryan Layson. And then for everybody who happens to be by Grandview Assisted Living in Grove, I want you to give a special happy birthday wish to one Clarence Ostrich. Clarence is celebrating birthday number 103. Just as a little aside and background as far as what Mr. Ostrich has done. He is a veteran during World War II who served as a tank commander, a tank mechanic. He did so with General Patton. And not only that, survivor of the D-Day invasion. Clarence, thank you for your service and have a marvelous, marvelous birthday in Grove. 103 years old, isn't that something else? That is tremendous. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this October the 25th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also submit them through our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of, that's also where you can sign up to become a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get special deals from our 4 state businesses, KOAMNewsNow.com, and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. Let's run over to some